I don't think that this is what it's supposed to look like. Hi, my name is Melissa, and if you are new, hello. I like to sew, therefore I mostly upload sewing related videos. If you are returning to my channel, hello. I know that this has probably been the longest that I have been out of uploading since January, and my husband and I actually had our first date night of the year. We have not had a date night since last year November, I believe. October, since last year October. So I am very, very happy for us to have our date night. We probably won't have another date night until November, but needless to say, we had so much fun, and I basically just stayed in that happy feeling, because the minute you start, you know, moving along and go, 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 go again, it's like that happy feeling goes away. So I just stayed in that, and I kept thinking about our night and how much fun we had, and we did go dancing, and we love to go dancing. It's our thing. But now it's over. So I went ahead and started sewing. And I started sewing a t-shirt for my son that I'm not done yet, but I ordered this pattern from Style Sew Me from Erin. If you have seen all the 4 women that have inspired me to start sewing, then you guys know that I am a big fan of Erin and her company Style Sew Me. I love her style and how different it is. I did sew the Erin dress View B, this one, and unfortunately it didn't go so well. Like, it just did not go with my figure. Like, it's already a very loose dress, but I feel like, let me show you guys how this turned out so that you guys can be the judge of what happened. So I'm just gonna move the screen. I don't think that this is what it's supposed to look like, which sucks because I actually really love this. I love how loose it is. I love this, but it just doesn't go with me. I am 5 foot, so I'm going to look short in a lot. Look at, I'm talking and you can't. So, you guys just saw that. I'm gonna take you along and just kind of show you the changes that I made. So I'll insert a clip now. If I were to make it shorter, I would cut it here and go here and put an elastic in it. I think I'm going to do that. So let me go ahead and mark. Ow, I just pinned my finger. Tell me if this does not look 10 times better. On me, you know what I mean? Just because I have a short torso. Like, I have, the trunk of my body is just really short. I have short legs, short limbs, but I have thick legs, thick arms, you know. But I think this would look so much better. So I was here. Made this a little too tight. Actually thinking that, how am I gonna take this off? Oh my gosh, I just tore it. And I was there, so I reshaped it. And I actually really like the shape of it. I'm going to make it shorter now and add the elastic. And then it switched to this. You know what I feel like I look like with the ties here? What is that? I know I'm not a huge fan of anime or like video games, but if I were to have these blue bun things and start, you know, kicking, what is that game? Fight. It's not, come over here. It's not that one. It's that video game, that arcade game. I do get. I don't know what it's called, but I feel like I look like that girl that. Hi, 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 hi. See, I feel like I look like that. No? Okay. And I became something else. I like this. I like this a lot, actually. So let me go ahead and close out and finish the, I am wearing shorts, and finish the sleeves because I actually really like this. I could wear this with some, you like this? You like my dress? I like this. Is it too poofy? I don't know. There was a lot of going back and forth. I even had a poll on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. It's already hard for me to find dresses that will make me feel good. So this was a challenge for me, but this was the end result after I sewed it, and I'll show you. Like how it's loose at the top. I like where it's cinched at my waist. I love the ties. That's something that I did not want to change. I just don't know why I keep picking at it, and I think I keep picking at it because it's a dress, like, and I'm just not used to wearing dresses. This was the dress. I mean, I gave it a shot. I looked not fierce. I didn't look as fierce as Erin did. I looked stumpy and I looked like I was swimming in fabric. I don't feel like I have enough body for this kind of dress, so I have to create the illusion that I have a body, you know what I mean? But I don't know. That's just my take on it. But anyways, that's it, you guys. Today is Friday the 10th. And today was actually Mother's Day for me and my family. We do celebrate it on the 10th. For those of you that don't know, today is Mother's Day for Central America. Así que espero que tuvieron un feliz Día de las Madres hoy y que disfruten su día con su familia, que ojalá que las saquen y les compren algo, que las traten como una reina, porque ya sabemos que aquí en esta vida los hijos son una bendición y pues gracias a Dios yo también tengo a mis dos hijos y los quiero mucho. If you do celebrate Mother's Day on Sunday, may you have a beautiful day with your mother. May you have a beautiful day with your daughters and sons. To all of you that are daughters, that are sons, that are mothers, that are husbands of mothers, may all of you have a wonderful Sunday, a wonderful Mother's Day, whether you're going to go for brunch or dinner or have a nice laid back family get together. Just have a beautiful Mother's Day and spend it with your loved ones, okay? I just wanted to take a quick break just to remember the woman that has passed, that made an impact in your life and helped you to be the person you are today. And may her memory or their memory live on, and as a beautiful memory, not a dark one. But okay, you guys, thank you again so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the transformation and my version of the Erin dress. But yeah, have a wonderful day, week, and month. And don't forget, please don't forget to make it a great year. Bye.